dear students, because our lesson is over. So for the I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terus bosan daring terus.
Pada bosan mager.
Duh, mabar ngantuk mending tidur.
Kediri City, there is an educational tour of mini zoo which belongs to Brigade Mechanical Section Wirayuda in Sikarami Village, Mojoroto District, Kediri City. Such as deer breeding, tourists are allowed to visit the deer sanctuary and feed the deer. In the same location, beside deer sanctuary, visitors can also enjoy the beauty of Brigade Park, many kind of flowers and tree houses. It can be the spot to take nice pictures. Such educational tours, the visitors can also enjoy the natural beauty of the mountains while eating typical Kediri food, such as pecel rice, pecel crackers, and pecel ale. Erlangga Museum, taken from the name of King Erlangga, the king of Kahuripan Kingdom that ruled in 1009 to 1042. Erlangga Museum has collections such as smart stone, statues, Ardhani, Sinwa, and Vishnu statues. stone is a relief that describes the year of construction of a sacred building, carved on a block made of andesite stone. Saraswati means wife or Shakti god Shiva and mother of Ganesha. Therefore, the attributes used are related to the attributes of Shiva and Ganesha. Each back hand carries Astamana and Kamana. Nandi means vehicle from god Shiva, the highest god from Trimurti. Besides being a vehicle, it's also called Shiva Nandi. God Vishnu's statue has a large size. It used to be inside part of temple that built as a place for a king. Selomangleng Cave was the hermitage of Dewi Kilisuci, the princess of Kahuripan Kingdom, led by King Erlangga. According to the story, the princess decided to meditate to ask for prosperity for the people of Kediri. She decided to not marry and live with the land. As a place for local culture, Kediri has several local arts, especially jalanan. The performance of local culture is community learning and cultural preservation, so that it is not lost and taken over by other nations. Then the next place is souvenir shops of Selomangleng Cave. They sell souvenirs such as keychain.
Selamat siang mas, ada yang bisa saya bantu?
Oh iya, ini mau tanya, proses pembuatannya.
Jadi gini mas,
The step of producing start from design the product. After the design is done, the next step is printing. The product that printed must be pressed in a frame. Afterwards, the product ready to sell.
Oh gitu. Ya udah kalau gitu mau bungkus buat oleh-oleh di rumah.
oh silakan mas, biar ke kasir.
Berikutnya ya. Kenapa berikutnya? Tuh, mati. Lagi. Belakang berangkat. Satu. Yuk, baca yuk.